This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about takeout containers, specifically these Ecotech bento boxes. We have two size options, the 51 ounce and the 78, making these great for really large meals. They both feature 3 compartments. They're made from craft paper that has a cornstarch-based PLA lining, making them great for greasy, saucy, or messy foods. They're commercially compostable, making them a fantastic option if you're looking for something eco-friendly for takeout. The natural craft and green design is a great nod to their eco-friendly nature, letting your guests know that you care. They're perfect for keeping your sides and mains separate and packing up large items like sushi rolls, protein boxes, and more. So these are a fantastic option for restaurants, sushi bars, and cafes, and they are easy to close up, and it's nice and secure to help prevent messes during transport, making them perfect for pre-packed meals, grab-and-go sections, or for takeout.